This video shout out goes to AG Stay Away Studio and Flower GG Crafts for both commenting my stomach is gonna walk out itself and get food on my last post. Hey guys, welcome back to 𝐾𝐨𝐫𝐤𝐲 and today I'm going to be calling Ulta with prank questions that you guys commented and... Hey guys, welcome back to 𝐾𝐨𝐫𝐤𝐲 and today I'm going to be prank calling Ulta with your guys' insane questions. But wait, please don't skip. Okay, basically, I made a video 10 months ago, asking you guys to comment some weird questions for me to call Ulta with, and I didn't film that video until now because during that time it was, you know what, and I just didn't feel great calling businesses with these weird questions. But now I'm going to be doing it, and I know quite a few people that have commented in this video still watch my channel, so that means a lot. Thank you for still watching and hanging around. Anyway, so we're just gonna call Ulta with these insane questions. Okay, let's call an Ulta out of state, because, yeah. Okay, so I think the hardest part is trying to say these with a straight face. Okay.
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty at Louisville Town. Thank you for calling Ulta at Louisville. This is Shayna. How can I help you?
Hi, okay, so, oh my gosh, basically, I was like walking into the Ulta Beauty store and I thought I saw a billion YouTubers, but then I walked in and I asked one of your employees and they said they haven't seen any celebrities, and I was like, oh my gosh, I think your store isn't a scam, but it's so amazing that you guys sell toilet paper, so thanks for calling me bestie. She just, why did she hang up? We were friends. Okay, I didn't, okay, next. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Okay.
Your call is appreciated as possible.
Is it though?
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty.
Hi, can I get some plastic surgery? I asked my mom if I could and she said I could if I found some place to do it at, so...
What is your question?
Do you do plastic surgery?
No.
Really?
This is Ulta Beauty.
I know, but like, you're beauty, so I thought... Okay.
We sell makeup.
Oh, alright, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I can't do this. I sound like an idiot, my pride.
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty at Training Commons. This is Lauren speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, so I was walking to the store with my Ulta Beauty lip gloss in hand, and I was putting some on. Then when halfway to the store, I realized I shouldn't be going to the store because we're in quarantine. Well, as I was walking, I tripped on my face, and not only did my lip gloss smear all over my face, but my lip gloss broke. It was tragic, and I started crying, which made my mascara smear everywhere. And I was just wondering, how has your day been?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Can you not hear me?
Hi? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Okay,
Can you hear me?
yes.
How can I help you?
Well, I was walking to the store with my Ulta Beauty lip gloss in hand, and I was putting some on. When halfway to the store, I realized I shouldn't be going to the store because we're in quarantine, you know? Well, I was walking, and I tripped on my face, and not only did my lip gloss smear everywhere, but I started crying, and it broke. It was so tragic, and it just made my mascara smear everywhere. So, but how has your day been?
It's been good. Yeah, we've been pretty busy today.
That's cool.
Is there something you needed help with?
Could I replace my lip gloss?
Can you what? Sorry?
Can I replace my lip gloss?
Yeah, you can bring it in and we can exchange it or return it. You said it broke?
Yes, it was very tragic.
Yeah, you can exchange it or return it for a different color if you want to get the same color. If you want to replace your mascara also and get a waterproof one just in case you ever need it.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. I will come over. Alright, yes.
We do close at 6 today.
Okay, I may not come over, but goodbye.
Bye, have a good one. Hello, thank you for calling Ulta Beauty. My name is Sarah. How can I help you achieve your best look today?
Hey, so I got some canvas brushes and I couldn't find watercolor paint, so I used the Jeffree Star palette instead, and it didn't work well. So next time someone buys it, can you tell them it doesn't work as paint?
Okay. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You have a good one. Thank you for calling Ulta City. This is Jackie. How can I help you?
Do you guys have baby pink lipstick? I want to give some to my little girl.
What was it again?
Do you guys have baby pink lipstick? I want to give some to my little girl.
Yeah, we do. There's gonna be different brands that will carry a color like that.
Nice. Also, do you sell working makeup for AG dolls?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one. Hello, Ulta Beauty. How may I help you today?
Hi, I just want to ask a very important question. So, do you like babysit your lip glosses?
I'm sorry?
Do you like babysit your lip glosses?
I'm not too sure what you're asking me.
I'm just wondering. She hung up. I'm so sad.
Hi, thank you for calling Ulta San Marcos. How can I help you?
Hi, is this where James Charles lives?
Sorry?
Is this store where James Charles lives?
You do know who he is, right?
Yes, I know who he is, but this is in San Marcos.
Oh, has James Charles ever come into your store?
No.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever met him?
No.
Oh, okay, well,
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
What am I doing with my life?
What's your mission? How may I help you?
OMG! Hi, Cinderella. So I found a shoe when I visited Paris last year, and I think it's yours, and I have a question for you. What is it like to live in a beautiful...
Why? This is a sad day for me.
Thank you for choosing Ulta Beauty at Mission Valley, where the possibilities are beautiful. Do you mind holding for a brief moment?
Sure.
Thank you. I'll be right back with you.
Okay, I have it muted, so basically, I feel really bad. This girl, she's like gonna put me on hold, and I'm just gonna say this really dumb question.
One eternity later.
Thank you so much for holding. How can I help you?
Yeah, okay, so I walked into your beauty store and I didn't get beautiful automatically. Like, that's what a beauty store is, right? I am so mad. I never want to see anyone else in my life, so...
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yeah. That's all. Oh, she hung up. Wow, she didn't. She's like, I'm so sorry. Beep! Okay, moving on.
To say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
For calling Ulta Beauty at Washington Park in La Quinta, where the possibilities are beautiful. Are you here to pick up a curbside order today?
No, but I was wondering if you can use your lipstick as eyeshadow.
I'm sorry?
Can you use your lipstick as eyeshadow?
Like a full eyeshadow look, or were you trying to do like a wing with it, or what were you trying to do?
Like a full eyeshadow look. I was thinking like a neutral lipstick color. Could I use that for my eyeshadow? Is that safe?
I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. The only thing, if it's a matte, the only thing that can happen with that is it can stain your eyelid. But it usually comes off within like a couple days. Like if it's a brighter color, like more vibrant, like a red or some, bright purple,
Oh, yeah.
those will like stain your eyes. But it is around your mouth, so I don't see why you wouldn't be able to, like, safe enough to use for your eyes. I personally use, please know, if I need a nice different color, I'll use a lipstick for an eyeliner.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I have never got like anything, any allergic reaction, anything like that. So coming from me, I want to say, yeah, like you'll be fine.
Okay. Also, I applied for a job there and it was full, so could you like ask one of the employees to quit so I could work there?
So we're actually in the process of doing applications right now. If you want to go ahead and give us a call, another day and see if they already went through those and see what the status is on the application, you can ask for the hiring manager.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Okay, you have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
She was so nice. Oh, I'm so happy. I feel kind of bad doing this to her.
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty at the Gateway Town Center. How may I help you?
Hey, so I got the James Charles palette, and when I went to activate it with water, like he said to do in his video, I poured too much and the palette overflowed. So what do I do now?
When did you purchase it?
I got it like last week.
You can exchange it for a new one
Oh, okay,
if
sweet.
it's damaged.
Alright, might do that. Also, I was wondering what flavors concealer you have. I'm looking for the cherry.
But for what were you looking for?
What flavor concealer? Like the cherry one?
You said a flavored concealer?
Yeah,
It's red.
not red, but it's kind of rosy, and I saw it on your site somewhere and I couldn't find it in the store, so I'm just wondering if you still carry it.
Do you have the name of it?
No.
Yeah, because I can't think of any flavored concealer. I can only think of flavored maybe lip glosses or lip oil, nothing like a concealer for the face.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
Okay, no problem.
I'm such an idiot.
I'm such an idiot.
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty in Anaheim, where the possibilities are beautiful. This is Michelle. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to return a palette I bought. I was so disappointed that after 6 months there was nothing left, and honestly it was a ripoff, so could I return it?
What was it? I'm sorry.
A palette. It was all gone after 6 months, and yeah.
So, our return policy is that it has to be less than 10% used to be able to return it.
Oh. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just donate like the plastic or something. I don't know. Anyway, can I please purchase all of your toilet paper? The Walmart is completely empty, and someone said they like took your toilet paper, but I was thinking about buying it. So how much would that cost me?
Let me ask the manager because I'm not sure if we sell the toilet paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm sorry. We can't sell it because it's not in our system.
Hmm.
But have you tried Target?
I actually haven't, but I could check there.
Yeah, I think Target should be pretty stocked.
Okay, cool.
There's just like this toilet paper, like madness.
Anyway, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Nourish ourselves. So nourish your skin with my skin transformation cream or my golden cleanser. You get good and nourish.
Thank you for calling your Ulta Beauty. This is Alexa speaking.
Hi, so I ordered some of your eyeshadow and I tried it and it didn't taste very good. It gave my arms giant purple rashes. So I think you guys need to improve this product and just make it taste a little better.
What were you trying?
I was eating it.
You were eating what were you eating?
The eyeshadow I bought and it gave my arms purple rashes. Very bad quality.
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty, El Segundo, where the possibilities are beautiful. This is Catherine. How may I help you?
Hi, so I bought an eyeshadow palette that says it lasts up to 16 hours on the front, but when you use makeup remover, it comes right off, so I'm not really sure if this was like a scam or if I can return it.
I'm sure it wasn't a scam, but I mean, you have 60 days to return anything, so.
Okay, cool. But I'm just wondering why it said 16 hours, and
What brand is it?
it was the James Charles thing or something, I don't know. I could go find it.
Morphe is a manufacturer, so, I'm sure any manufacturing questions you can, maybe direct to them, because they're the ones that make it, so.
Oh, okay. I'll go complain to them.
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty, our Oceanside, where the possibilities are beautiful. This is Shanice. Can I put you on a brief hold?
Sure.
Thank you so much. One moment. Thank you so much for holding. This is Shanice. How may I help you today?
Hi, I was wondering if you sell single eyeshadows because I'm looking for a white one. I think the name is called Mayonnaise.
Manny?
Yeah.
It doesn't ring a bell for me, but I can ask and see if anyone knows.
Okay. I'm looking at it on the site right now. I think I could just order this online.
Yeah, there's a lot of brands and products that we may not carry in-store, but we do have on the online store. It may be easier just to do an online order because even if we do have it, we may not have it in, stock,
I see. Also, I have one more question. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I made a custom palette, and I was wondering if you could sell it at your store.
You made a palette?
Yes.
What's the name of your palette?
I call it Rainbow.
Rainbow? You'd have to come into the store and ask, talk with one of the managers and let them know that you're a vendor that wants to promote your product. And then
Okay.
see what they say. I'm not actually educated on too far on that part of it, but I do know that we have vendors that come and visit the store, so.
Cool. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. And then also, if you want to come inside and do an online order here, we can purchase it online for you, whatever it is you need, and then have it shipped to your home for free. So you don't have to pay for the shipping.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, so if you just want to come in and, order online when you come in and ask, we can do that.
Okay, cool. Well, I might come in, so thank you. Oh my gosh, Shanice.
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty at Bella Terra. Can you please hold?
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you for holding. This is Paige. How may I help you?
Hi, do you still sell the edible Kylie lipstick?
Can you repeat that one more time?
Do you still sell the edible Kylie lip kit still?
The edible?
Yeah.
Do you know what shade it comes in? Is that the shade?
No, it's like edible and it's a bunch of lipsticks. I saw it on YouTube. Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, I've never heard of it, but let me go ahead and check, okay?
Okay.
One moment. No, we never carry that at our location.
Oh, okay. Ugh, my brother's saying it
sorry
was a
about that.
scam the whole time. Ugh, I'm too gullible.
I'm sorry?
Sorry, my brother said that YouTube video I saw was probably a scam. Yes.
I was so confused. That's why I asked you to like re-say it, because I've never heard of that.
Ugh, yeah. Okay, well, thank
Okay.
you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you for calling Ulta Beauty. How can I help you?
Hi, I was just wondering, so I bought a lipstick at your house, and it smelled like shrimp, so is there like actual shrimp in it?
What is the brand?
I think it was called
Like Oceana Aqua or something? I don't know.
Because I'm not familiar with that brand here.
Oh. Okay.
How long ago did you buy it?
I bought it like 3 weeks ago. I don't know, I just started using it, so I have no idea.
Okay. What is your phone number?
Do I have to give that?
Oh, I'm gonna look it up under your account to see what you actually bought.
I'm sorry, I'm not giving away my phone number. Hello.
Hi, thanks for calling Ulta Beauty and Clovis. This is Stephanie speaking. How can I help you?
I was just wondering if you sell toothpaste?
Yes. Sorry,
Okay.
Wait 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Hi, I'm sorry. What was your question?
So you have toothpaste, right?
Toothpaste?
Yeah.
Yes, we do. We have like the whitening one from Moon and...
So I was wondering which toothpaste you have makes your teeth the most yellow?
That it makes the most... I'm sorry, what was your question one more time?
The most yellow? I need it for a costume.
Oh, huh. I don't think we have toothpaste that makes your teeth like yellow.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry about that. Have a great day, okay?
You too.
Bye.
Sorry, I almost started wheezing.
Bellingham, Popsies are beautiful. This is Lainey. How can I help you today?
Hi, so I bought some red lipstick and I'm not sure why it's not showing up as blue, cause it's supposed to, cause it's like color changing.
Yeah, so if you like don't like the product, you can definitely come back and we can definitely return it or get something else for you. I'm not quite sure why that one's not working in particular. We can definitely swap it out for you though.
Oh, okay, thank you. Also,
I need everything you've ever sold to Taylor Swift.
like, can I have it? Because, yes, I'm a big fan.
I unfortunately don't have access to what they have purchased, so I don't know, but if you want to come in with like a list, we can definitely help you find those out.
Okay, thank you.
Of course, anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all.
Okay, have a great day.
You too, bye. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below the hidden message if you found it, if you watched all the way through the video. Comment it down below for a shout out maybe, possibly. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips by the way.